This week's spelling lesson is on word usage, specifically using the right homophone. So use the right word and avoid spelling errors. Your cue words: word usage, grammar game plan number 1, homophone, commonly confused homophones. Word usage. This is using the right word. It is a type of spelling error, and it's the most common error made in student writing. This is where it comes from the grammar game plan. The grammar game plan is a list of common student errors. It is found in your textbook, and you will be given a handout of this when you start going over your own papers. But grammar game plan number 1 means that you have used the wrong word. Most often this is because you have misused a homophone. So, you need to know when to use which homophone. A homophone is a word that sounds like another word, but it's spelled differently and it has a different meaning, so you can't switch them around. Your most commonly confused homophones are affect and effect, than or then, which or which, here or here, our or our, by and by, accept and accept. You've had that one on a spelling test. Whether or whether, there, and there. You have seen that on just about every spelling test. Two, and two, your and your, also on your spelling tests. Bear or bear, one or one, break or break, compliment and compliment, allowed or allowed, lie or lay, it's and its, also have that on your spelling test, capital or capital, and principal and principal. You now have an assignment. You're going to use the handout attached in your blend space lesson that's embedded on Edmodo. You're going to choose the 5 homophones you feel that you most frequently confuse from that list. You're going to list them. You're going to tell us how to tell them apart and use them correctly, and then you're going to write a pair of sentences for each homophone set showing the correct use. The examples may not come from the handout you've used, so you will have to come up with your own brand new sentences. This particular assignment is part of your notes, so it is due when you turn your notes in. Now, practice. Complete the sentences provided here using the correct homophone. Again, you may not use any of these sentences for your example sentences. You can use the words, but you will have to come up with your own sentences. Pause the video, complete the exercise. Now check your work. And don't forget to complete your assignment. When you're done with this note session, take your practice quiz on the Edmodo page, click Turn In, and then study your notes for the in-class quiz.